welcome back to my channel. To start off this wonderful fall season, I'm going to be making cozy fall drinks using the recipes in the description box down below. Check that out. If you guys have any recipes that you love personally, let me know. If you guys want to see me make these drinks, then please keep on watching. 1.5 cups of milk over medium heat, by the way. And then 1/2 cup of pumpkin puree. I'm gonna do it this way just because of the fact that I can't find the 1/2 cup of, what is it? Yeah, the 1/2 cup. And also that was Freya, by the way, if you guys were wondering who meowed. 1/2 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice and a pinch of garlic clove. 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, pinch of sea salt, turn off the heat, and then we're going to take it off the heat. Then I'm adding 1/4 cup of white chocolate chips. Just gonna whisk it all together. Top it off with some pumpkin pie spice. Tell me that doesn't look amazing. Look at her.
Hey, sexy lady. Oh.
Look at that.
Wait. Oh yeah, look how cute the cup is.
Now let me try it. I'm excited. Oh my gosh. Honestly, I love fall. I agree.
He agrees. I didn't drink it yet. I'm scared it's gonna burn my mouth.
It's just the risk you're gonna have to take with that flavor.
Oh. That's so good.
Bye.
10 out of 10. No caffeine, so
Amazing.
everyone can enjoy it. Okay, so the next recipe, we are going to be making maple pecan latte. Maple pecan, however y'all want to say it. This says it literally takes 8 minutes. Is it really going to take 8 minutes? And I don't know what pecan butter is. I don't have that, unfortunately. So starting off with 1/2 cup of maple syrup, 1/4 cup of light brown sugar, 1/2 cup of heavy cream. Excuse what it looks like. I froze it and now it just looks a little funky. 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. I'm going to stir this on medium heat. Probably won't be the same. So once the sugar has dissolved, we're going to turn the heat up just a little bit to medium-high heat and let it simmer for about 4 to 5 minutes. Stir constantly so it does not burn the bottom of the pan. It's going to bubble up. Keep stirring until it becomes thick. Smells so good in the house. This is 4 minutes. I want it a little bit thicker. You guys can already see it's starting to thicken up a lot. It's good. And I'm gonna remove that off of the heat. I made homemade condensed milk. Actually came out really good, surprisingly. I did not know all you needed was milk and sugar. So we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. Ooh, she a little thick. Oh, it's okay. A pinch of salt. Pew, pew. Ooh, oh no. That was a little too much. I'm just going to strain the pecans on the side. This is going to be reserved for the topping. About, oh goodness, 3 tablespoons of the syrup in there. Mix. You can use espresso if you want. I just decided to use regular coffee. Oh my goodness. I'm still going to add a little bit of whipped cream. Just look at that. Ooh. That was a fail. You know, y'all get it. Oh my gosh. No. I got Lyndon over here. He's over there. This is a maple pecan latte.
Oh my gosh.
There's supposed to be candied pecans on there.
Perfect. 10 out of 10 all day.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Oh, that's so good. That is so good.
Oh my gosh.
Isn't that amazing?
If you guys don't like your coffee too sweet, then add 2 tablespoons. I like it super sweet. He doesn't really like it that sweet. Sorry. I didn't know it was gonna be this sweet.
I thought it was really good. We're about to add some Fulton's Harvest. We bought it and actually never used it. Bam. Right there. Do a little twirl. That's amazing.
Really?
Whoa.
Are you okay?
Wrong pipe. Excuse me. Oh my gosh. That is amazing.
Maple pecan latte, everybody. This milk is my favorite milk in the whole wide world. It's soy milk. Yes, it's in a can. It might be weird, but I grew up drinking this. You can get it at your local Asian market. I'm only gonna make 1 serving. You guys are welcome to double, triple this recipe. You can use any milk of your choice, whether it's almond milk, regular milk, 2%, whatever. We're gonna be cooking it over medium-high heat until it begins to bubble up on the sides. In the meantime, I'm going to be using black tea. Oh wait, we're gonna be making a chai latte. But yes, English breakfast, black tea. This is the only black tea we had. The only thing I really drink is probably matcha, and I don't know if this is gonna be good with matcha. Okay, we're gonna take it off the heat now. I cannot tell you guys how many times I have walked away on accident. We're going to add the tea. I was gonna open it very aesthetically, and I messed it up again. Let it sit for 5 minutes. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. It's gonna be a little bit of a weird measurement, but we're gonna add 3 teaspoons of cinnamon and 1/8 of nutmeg, a pinch of ground cloves. And I promise y'all, I know this looks very intimidating, very weird, but this is the only maple syrup that we had. I promise it has it doesn't even taste like Captain Crunch. Ignore that. It's just maple syrup. I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoons to it. The color's gonna look funky. It's not gonna be a really good time, but it's gonna taste amazing. I promise, trust the process, please. Into whisk. Oh my gosh, this color looks so weird. Now we got a chai latte. It's not supposed to look like this color, but it's my fault because we don't have. And now Lyndon is here again. Let's swap it with some whipped cream again. Ready, honey?
I don't know, it's green.
It's not green. It's blue.
It worries me. Oh, it is blue. It doesn't look so appetizing, but I hope it tastes better than what it looks like. Cheers.
It's a chai latte.
It's not bad, but it's not wow either.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Why not?
I don't know.
Be honest, it's the color. I like it because it's soy milk. I think that's what's throwing you off.
I give it probably a 4 out of 10.
What? If you guys use almond milk and regular maple syrup, it probably tastes better. Last but not least, we're going to be making mimosas.
No.
He's eating a fish stick. Okay. Open it, please. Don't kill anybody. The pantry is a mess. I am so sorry. This is why you guys only see this part of the kitchen. I'm so scared. Wait, I'm gonna stand somewhere else.
All right, let's do this thing. Come over here.
Oh, wait.
Come right here so you don't
You're
get
not-
it. You know, you're gonna come over here.
I can't. No, wait. Okay, wait. Wait, I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Ollie! Wait, Ollie, come here. Wait, don't do it yet. Ollie, come here.
Yeah! Oh no, Roscoe. Here you go.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, thank you. The rim with caramel, cinnamon, sugar. I saw this one on TikTok. I have not tried it yet, so.
You're killing me. You're killing me, Smalls. You're killing me.
This is the last one, I promise. Cook's champagne. Spice apple cider.
What drink had the Peskins on it?
The what?
The Peskins.
Oh, the Peskins. So yummy. Uh-oh. This one's yours.
Cheers.
Mmm,
That's actually pretty good.
it's good.
After 10 out of 10. The other drink, still 4 out of 10.
Cheers to fall of 2021.
Happy fall, y'all.
You know, he loves fall, but and pumpkin spice and everything, but he's excited for eggnog. You know what? It's not even too early for eggnog because he already bought a thing of eggnog.
And she might be making some too. Who knows?
Stay tuned. After hours of making the drinks, we in the night, 12:30 in the morning. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please give this. Shut up! If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, then please do. And also, do not forget to click that notification bell so you can keep posted on my videos every week. I post 1 or 2 times a week. And also, this is Ollie. There he is, little Ollie. Ollie. Happy fall to you guys. I hope to see you guys in my next video. And again, thank you for watching. Bye, guys.